Now we can look at our second submodule. So far we have covered the SD master data setup, which is our first module, and now we can cover the sales process in detail. Sales process is where the transactions are posted in SD module. First, let us look at an overview of sales process to understand what kind of transaction that will be happening in a sales process. Here it is. Any sales process will first start with a sales quotation, and from a quotation we will raise a sales order. The difference between quotation and sales order is not much. Actually, sales quotation is an optional step. We can also go directly to sales order. It's not a big problem, but in an actual sales scenario, sales order will be preceded by a sales quotation, because before the customer wants to confirm the raise the order, he wants to see the quotation price of each and every product he's going to order. So we normally raise a sales quotation and send it to the customer as a preliminary document before the sales order, and once he has agreed with the prices and things like that, and if he agrees to convert the sales quotation to a sales order, he'll give his agreement to us so that we can convert the sales quotation into a sales order. Then from sales order we can process outbound delivery. Provided the customer has confirmed the sales order, we can ship the goods to the customer, which is called outbound delivery. And during this step, goods issues document will be posted, and this is the first time an accounting document will ever be posted, and there will be no accounting document posted for sales order and sales quotation. This is something important that you have to remember, because this is a famous interview question. They might want to ask you if there's any accounting document that will be posted in these two steps, just to trap you, and you have to answer no, because there will be no accounting documents posted when you raise a sales quotation and sales order. The first accounting document that will be posted to finance in a sales process is during outbound delivery, because you need to take out the goods from your stocks and send it to your customer. And once that is done, it is good to be billed. Once the customer has confirmed receipt of the goods, we can actually bill the customer for the total stocks that we have sold to them. And the second accounting document will be raised here, which is the actual invoice that will be posted to finance module. So these are the two places where an accounting document will be generated. The first is during goods delivery to customer, and the second is during billing to customer. And sales returns is actually an optional step. Not all the time we'll have sales returns, but in case if the customer finds any goods damaged, or he wants to replace it with other goods, he will return the goods back to us. We will issue a credit memo to them. So I need to add one more step here. If there is a sales returns, we will also issue a credit memo. Credit memo, this will be complete. Credit memo will be issued. So this has to be taken note. So these two are optional steps. So during sales returns, there will be a goods movement document posted to finance module, because the goods are returned back to our stock. And during credit memo issuance, there will be another finance document posted, because we are adjusting the customer's outstanding debts with us. So these are the 4 stages where accounting document will be involved, and there will be no accounting document posted for these 2 documents. This is an overview of sales process, and we're going to cover one by one. Okay, let me add one more thing. Credit memo. we're going to see all these steps from here to here in a short while in the subsequent topics. Let me end the overview of sales process now.